Hey guys, so how you can reset the Frigidaire oven? So to do it, it's pretty simple. The only way to reset the control board is to unplug the unit or kill the power to the unit at the breaker for a few minutes and restore the power. And that gives the capacitor in the board time to drain for resetting the board. Other than that, there is no reset. So try it out. Maybe it's going to help you on how you can reset the Frigidaire oven. So I just want to make this like a quick video for you on what you can do, and it may help you. So thank you very much for watching.